Hello and welcome back to the studio. It has been a little while since I have said that. If you've been following along, then you would notice that I have posted a few little videos here and there, but I kind of disappeared there for a second. Back in September, my grandma ended up getting sick, so I pretty much just packed up the bare essentials that I needed from the studio and used her kitchen table to paint while I helped take care of her. So during that time, it would have been too difficult to film with everything else going on, so I kind of just took a little break from YouTube. Oh, hi, girl. And we also got another cat. So we now have 3 cats. This is Dokkaebi. We like to call her Princess since we have the queen bee over there. And she is a big cuddler. She loves to sit on your lap. She always jumps up here and wants attention. So I am getting back into the swing of things and hoping to post more content here for you guys. So if there's anything that you would like to see, be sure to leave me a comment down below, and also comment down below what you all have been up to, since it's been a while since I've gotten to chat with you all. So other little updates, I shared a little video about the conversation hearts that I painted, and 2 of the 3 of those have sold. And then I also just finished a butterfly heart painting, which I have some footage of me working on that coming up here next. I figured I would do a little intro because the rest of the vlog isn't very chatty, it's just me working on that. So I think that is it for my little update, and let's just jump right into the vlog. So here is how the butterfly painting turned out. I really love all the colors, and I tried to keep the background nice and blended so the focus could all be on the butterfly. guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I'm getting back into vlogging, so this one was a little bit shorter of a video. But if there's anything specific you would like to see, be sure to leave me a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! She's such a sweet girl.